All right, I want to show you guys Tux Paint. Let me see if I can do this. Okay, I want to show you guys Tux Paint. I hope you can see this. I downloaded this morning, and I haven't used Tux Paint in a long time, but it is a neat tool to teach graphic arts and drawing and just learning about backgrounds and fonts and just tools and drawing tools in general. And it's open source. It's free for the public. That you can depends on your operating system. It guides you into which uh, version to download on your computer. This isn't a web based. This is something that you have to download, but it is so neat. And you also will have to download what's called stamps, and these are the stamps right here. But I just want to show you a little bit of how this goes. Now, I was just fooling around right here, so I'm going to get rid of that. But let's kind of go over a little bit of a few of the tools. I know I need to do. I'm going to go to quit, and yes, and don't bother saving. Okay, so I'm going to go back and open it up again, and I had it downloaded, so I think what I'm going to do is, oh, there it is. I see it. All right, so we're taking it from the top. All right, so here we go. And you can also make this full screen, but I wanted to demonstrate how this works. And it was difficult to show how it works when it's in, full screen. If somebody else knows how to do that, let me know. But here are a couple of different tools that I like. You have your brushes. Okay, so you make it thick. Thicker. And I love the sounds. It's like low, thick, and let me see what this sounds like. This probably will be a high tone. Yeah. Anyway, okay, so let's try something else. Let's see. Let's go to undo. All right, and then you just get rid of it like that. All right, so those are the brushes. We have our line tool, your text, and they have really, that's kind of neat. All right, so let's get, get rid of that. All right, let's see. Let's go to shapes. Let's try some shapes. Oh, I like that one. Let's try this one. Let's fill in colors a little bit. Make some neat collages with this one. And let's try a couple more. Now, if you notice, when I select the shape that's already filled in, that's how it's going to look when you select the shape that's just the outline, and that's what you have right there. Okay. All right. So get rid of all these. All right. Let's see. What else do we have here? Ooh, magic. Now that is pretty fun. You can spend a long time with magic. So that's what it looks like here. You just kind of, and these sounds are so fun. And let's see. Oh, I like this one, confetti. And undo. Okay, so what I want you guys to do, if you have this and download it on your computer, I want you to go to Magic. I want you to scroll down and find all of the different types of tools you see there, because they're really and truly, it's best to just play with all the tools first before you actually get started. I would also go to Paint, practice your, and practice using your mouse skills for that one. Okay. All right, so that's all I have for This is called TuxPaint. It's a free download, open source. Have fun.